What is Dragon's Den? Right, well it's the experience that we give to Year 13. It gives them an opportunity to pitch their business ideas to a group of professionals. Obviously it will help boost the grades, etc., but I think it's more about what it does for them in terms of interpersonal skills, communication skills, confidence. It's a one-off experience for them that perhaps they'll never get again.
Dragon's Den, basically it was to present our ideas, and then they got to see our cash flows and the research that we've done behind it to see if it could be a successful idea. They're also business people and they give us a different point of view to look at our business idea, and so we get a more round perspective of it. But I was so nervous, like I must have changed my outfit like 4 times just to be like out of nerves. But once you get in there and you get rolling on your PowerPoint and you start talking and you just get through it, your nerves go away and you just become more comfortable and relaxed.
It's really important to us as a business, CSR, corporate social responsibility, and we do get involved in a lot of different things, and this is one of them. We're working with young people that have got business ideas and want to move forward, and I was just really impressed by them. I was really impressed, I say, by the amount of work that they put in, but the way that they came across.
We do a lot of charity events. This is something a little bit different, so it feels like the time that we've given is going to add value to these individuals, and ultimately, you know, hopefully we'll get some respect in return as a society that's looking after the Leeds community. I don't interact with 17, 18-year-olds and haven't done for a long time. I've got an 8-year-old that will be coming through that, and if she comes through as good as the guys that I saw today, I'd be really proud, because I actually think that they did really, really well. They were very professional, they were very mature, and I took a lot out of it because it's given me a little bit more faith in that, maybe that age group that I perhaps didn't have before, so I'm pleased with it.
I had a really narrow view of what I wanted it to be and how it should look and all these stuff that I wanted going on, whereas they come with a business point of view and say, well, that's not realistic and you have to alter that because that's not going to happen. I felt good that I'd done it because it was something that I was nervous about, and I still went and did it anyway, and like feel like I achieved something by doing it. So, and the fact that they've taken time out of their busy schedules to come and just see my little presentation and then help like give criticism and help me improve it is like a big deal, and I do appreciate the fact that they've come.
I think the pupils have benefited. I think we have as well from what we've got out of the day. So I would recommend it to other businesses. I think that they should see how good our young people are. So whilst I think the pupils have got a lot out of it, hope they have, I think as a business we have as well. We've certainly learned a lot.
So I would be a massive advocate of this. This is, as I said earlier, this has exceeded my expectations massively, and I think that as a business, local business or a national business, so if they did this on a localised level or a national level, businesses can add so much value to this sort of day and get a lot back out of it as well, so yeah, massive advocate.
The confidence that they get from it is just, you can't measure it. It's massive. In the space of, you kind of see a child walk in, and then after half an hour you see a mature adult walk out. You know, you can sort of see them growing in stature. I think what's nice as well is whenever we do parents' evenings, and when I see the parents always bring it up. You know, oh, thanks for whatever, the Dragon's Den in November or whenever it was. I don't know whether they see a difference in the kid, but it's something that the students talk to about with the parents, which is quite unusual. So yeah, there's obviously conversations going on at home as well. You know, we've got a set of students that will never forget the name of the businesses, whether they become customers, employees in the future. But I think as well, from talking to the Dragons downstairs, I think your employees are going to come back motivated, excited, more interested in future possibilities perhaps.